Today we're going to talk about the easiest way to run a kill switch in an E36 race car. There are better ways to do this, fancier ways to do it, but this is the easiest. Once you remove the interior from your car, there's going to be one large red cable and one smaller red cable that run from the battery through the firewall. Just cut both of those in half. The big one goes to the big side of the kill switch. The little one plugs into one of the little small posts. And then the other side is the same way. On the other side of the switch, the big lug has the other side of the large cable. The small post on the other side of the switch, across from where you plugged in the first small one, you plug in the other little one, and then there is a power loop. So when you look at your instructions for the kill switch, they'll say to run a little jumper from the side that has the power coming from the alternator, and that'll run back to another one of the empty small spades on this. And then from the last unused spade, you'll run a wire that goes to a resistor and then grounds out somewhere. So one big wire, one little wire, cut it in half, put them on either side of the switch, take the power, loop it around back in, and then take the last unused spade, run it to the ground.